I'll be the first to admit, as car guys, we do dumb stuff. I'm guilty. And this probably isn't a very bright idea, but I had to know. Now look, we're not gonna go too crazy. No, really. We're not gonna go too crazy. I mean, seriously, we're not. That's the plan. I mean, mostly, I just want to actually be able to feel it. So, the rules are no clunch ducts, launches, you know what I'm talking about, and no power shifting. We're just gonna see what it feels like. I mean, seriously, they were sitting here looking at me. I don't see any reason to get too wild. But, uh-oh, that's not good. Yeah, that's not gonna slow us down, like, at all. I got a solution. Alright, so I twirled around to this side to try it out, and believe it or not, this side fits perfect. We got tailpipe clearance, and then it's on the body. You probably aren't gonna be able to see that, just a touch, which I can BFH that too. So, my issue is this side, and I'll show you what I mean. So, I've already clearanced the tailpipe some, not a lot, it's just a, and it's still freaking hitting. And I've had issues with this Flowmaster catback not fitting. I've adjusted these tailpipes multiple times, and they keep coming out of freaking adjustment. And I would go ahead and do it now, but the last time we put a few tacks on it so it wouldn't move. So I don't know how it's moved again, but I'm gonna have to take it to the exhaust shop and have it done again, because it's still hitting even my 17s, and I need to get it completely moved and retacked, which freaking sucks. Honestly, it's probably a good thing that it didn't, because that would have been the end of my T5. But like I said, boys, I was just curious, man. I was just, you know, it really would have been the end of the T5. So, probably a good idea that I didn't. But I am gonna get it to the exhaust shop and get that fixed. I can hear it squeak when I back out of the driveway. But honestly, boys, there's some very disturbing things I wanted to talk to you about. And I lost my wrench. So as you guys well know, or maybe you don't, I've been Fox body shopping a lot. And as I said in that video I did, it's been probably a month ago, the situation is dire. Obviously, I kind of know what I'm looking at, and I have a good idea where values are. as far as what I'm willing to pay. And I will be honest, what's out there is a lot of junk. And unfortunately, I'm just not that guy. I'm just not. And I also don't want to be a prick and lowball people, but kind of doing what we do here, I can look at a car and pretty much guess what it's going to take to fix it all, or at least get it right. Now when I say get it right, I mean for a good giveaway car. And we're not talking a show car or something perfect, not at all. Just something with good bones, good potential, that would make somebody a solid foundation for a project. That's what I'm talking about. And that's a little easier said than done in 2026. Like I said, guys, not something perfect, but like the white 93 we're giving away at the end of this month. Black interior, rust-free, good bones. That's what I'm talking about. Not perfect by any means, but a perfect project car. Something that you wouldn't be pissing your money away by fixing up and, you know, investing time and money in to get it to where you want it to go. Like seriously, the stuff I've been seeing has been a nightmare. Wiring, like they delete the AC, the power steering, this and that, or they tell me the engine's out of a Lincoln Town car. I mean, I'm not passing that off on anybody, let alone myself. And yeah, I'm shopping for myself too, because I got to replace my 92 when one of my Ultimate members wins it. I don't know what I want. I don't know what I want to do. I've got some ideas, but even then, like, am I going to spend $35,000, $40,000? I'm trying to think of some advice that I can give. I've given quite a bit of advice about buying cars over the years, but it's really different now. There's so much junk. So much junk out there. And something that's halfway decent, you're like, oh yeah, I might could do something with that. It's 25 grand. And look, I know better than anybody, prices have gone up. That's just how it is. But I've also adjusted my thinking to that, and I say, okay, that's probably solid $12,000 car. And they want 20? I'm gonna get called an asshole just for making an offer. Now, obviously, I don't want to offend anybody, but I'm also, come on, baby, get on there. I'm also not trying to overpay. So that leaves me in a pretty difficult position. I have seen a few cars, but my God, they were Connecticut, California. Even if it's a good deal, you're gonna spend $2 grand, if not more, especially with fuel prices the way they are, to get it shipped. So there goes your good deal. So I'm not saying, wrong sock. I'm not saying there's not deals out there. I'm just saying you're gonna have to look a lot harder to look to find them. And when you find them, let's jump on it. All right, boys, I don't know. Sorry, I just did a lot of thinking out loud. Honestly, I did that because I know, get it. I know that you guys struggle with the same stuff. The short answer is, I don't have an answer. Other than keep looking, keep your eyes open, talk to all your buddies. Best thing you can do. I personally don't want to overpay for some junk. I don't want you to overpay for some junk, because then you're just going to be pissed off, you know? So, best advice is keep looking, keep searching. Don't be in a hurry to buy, but most definitely be ready to buy, because just as soon as you say, screw it, I'm done looking, something will pop up. You know how it is. That happens every time. So just be ready to buy. Have your cash and be ready to jump in the truck and go get that damn thing. All right, boys, that's pretty much gonna wrap this one up. Sorry we didn't get to go try out the drag tires. I will have to have that tailpipe fixed and do some BFHing on the inner fender well. But we will try. Maybe I'll do it after I get the TKX in it. So speaking of TKX, guys, if you have not signed up for the premium subscription, into this month, we're giving away the TKX to one of my Ultimate members and the 93 GT plus $5 cash. You don't want to miss out. Hit the link and sign up. If you enjoyed this one, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.